you guys doing? It's been a while I didn't post a video. I always wanted to come back to a special memory. You know where are we going? We are going to bird paradise. The songs we sing and dance is from our concert. Reached bird paradise. This is my best friend, Khadija. Let's check the waterfall area. It's beautiful.
They have food centers also.
You can find so many food shops like Starbucks and A&W.
Have? Yeah?
Penguins jumping on the water and swimming. Do you see? It's so happy and I loved it. See how they swim? Really cute, right? And then they wanted to say hi to me. See the ostrich? It's taking so long. I was seeing it. Also, Pratisha. Playing in the room and it was cold. I used my fan and then I think it's cold. Subway.
Not Subway's food.
LOL, I was just joking. They are eating their food. See this bird's eyes? Very beautiful. Now we are entering to the bird show.
Excellent, excellent, much better. By the way, my name is Chandra and I am a radio ranger. My buddy Shawal and I are passionate about understanding. Susie is a female and the female is a much larger and heavier than the male. And of course, she is no exception.
That's right, a Suzuki weighs 4.7 kilograms, and that's why at high speed, she is able to make a
Glide often and slap your wrist. So this actually reduces sound or noise turbulence. And did you know car batteries? So this actually enables them to digest carrying 15. Now the three vouchers are the only voucher species with multicolored index and also
Dr. Smith, but that's the reason for unlimited like the black vulture to George in the face.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Latin American frogs, they can be found in Africa as well, and they're known to coexist with lots.
Well, today we look at raptors and scavengers, these demons of the skies and walkers of our earth are a part of our ecosystem.
Did you enjoy the show? I enjoyed it. Finally, I get to see flamingo. Do you see them fighting? I think they're brothers and sisters.
You see the kid? No, they were fighting, right?
I'm just jumping, and I had fun stepping on the rocks. Yeah. Listen, careful. Okay. It's too hard and lucky. Patricia said her umbrella with me. And they have water park also. Why my mom didn't take the best picture around the water park? There's a shop nearby. You can shop penguin things there. And we came back to the penguin area. The penguins was happily swimming. Near the penguin statue. I'm going to miss this all. So bye bye, Bird Paradise. See you next time. We were waiting for the bus. There was a fan, and Yuna did this. next time. Bye. You can like the video, share, and comment below. And press the